Silage wagon. This is a silage wagon.
Yay!
It carries chopped crops. Grain harvester. This is a grain harvester.
Yay!
It harvests grain crops. Farm loader. This is a farm loader.
Yay!
It lifts and moves materials. Skid steer loader. This is a skid steer loader.
Yay!
It works in small farm spaces. Backhoe loader. This is a backhoe loader.
Yay!
It digs and loads soil. Farm excavator. This is a farm excavator.
Yay!
It digs trenches and ponds. Utility vehicle. This is a utility vehicle.
Yay!
It carries tools and workers. Mulcher. This is a mulcher.
Yay!
It breaks plant material into small pieces. Windrower. This is a windrower.
Yay!
It cuts crops and places them in rows. Farm crane. This is a farm crane.
Yay!
It lifts heavy farm equipment. Rice transplanter. This is a rice transplanter.
Yay!
It plants rice seedlings. Peanut harvester. This is a peanut harvester.
Yay!
It harvests peanuts from fields. Beet harvester. This is a beet harvester.
Yay!
It harvests sugar beets. Cattle truck. This is a cattle truck.
Yay!
It transports cattle. Poultry transport truck. This is a poultry transport truck.
Yay!
It carries chickens and birds. Feed delivery truck. This is a feed delivery truck.
Yay!
It delivers animal feed. Farm pickup truck. This is a farm pickup truck.
Yay!
It helps with daily farm tasks. Crop duster plane. This is a crop duster plane.
Yay!
It sprays crops from the air. Agricultural drone. This is an agricultural drone.
Yay!
It monitors and sprays crops. Farm motorcycle. This is a farm motorcycle.
Yay!
It helps farmers travel quickly. Lawn tractor. This is a lawn tractor.
Yay!
It cuts grass in large areas. Brush cutter vehicle. This is a brush cutter vehicle.
Yay!
It clears thick vegetation. Farm buggy. This is a farm buggy.
Yay!
It transports supplies on the farm. Silage truck. This is a silage truck.
Yay!
It carries silage for livestock. Field roller. This is a field roller.
Yay!